Meredith, the new overnight Metro Police say a man is the latest victim of the deadly gunfire here in the Circle City. Here are the details on Good Morning Indiana. The latest shooting, this happening around 1:30 this morning near 35th and Keystone. Officers say they were called to the area on reports of a person down. When they arrived, they found the victim with gunshot wounds. At this hour, officers say they're interviewing witnesses to learn what happened.
The overnight homicide means 100 people have been killed in Indianapolis since the beginning of the year. Now, community leaders say the city is on track to see a record number of homicides by the end of the year. Working for you, our Kelsey Anderson spoke with one community leader who says he wants to see the mayor take action.
Reverend Dr. Charles Harrison says, as a city, we are bleeding and we need to take action now instead of waiting for someone else to step up and do something. In the early morning hours Wednesday, 7 people were shot, 2 of them fatally. Community leader Reverend Dr. Charles Harrison took to Twitter saying, Indy is in a public safety crisis. He continued saying, quote, if Black lives matter, then why is there not an urgency about alarming number of Blacks being killed by homicides in Indy? He says, as a parent, he doesn't feel the city is safe for his 2 teenage children.
We need the mayor and all the elected officials to join in with us community leaders, and we need to address this together. Yeah. Our children should not live in this kind of fear. They shouldn't. Our seniors shouldn't live in this kind of fear. None of us should live, in this kind of fear.
Yesterday, 4 people were shot and killed in Indianapolis and another one early this morning, bringing the city's total to 100 homicides this year, a number we didn't see until September of last year. I spoke with Shauna Majors, the city director of community violence reduction, and she says now that COVID-19 restrictions are starting to be lifted, her and her team can safely get back out into the community. They have community outreach events already planned for next Friday. Both Harrison and Major believe the more people that are involved in this fight against violence in the city, the easier the battle will be. For resources on how you can get involved, head over to theindychannel.com. I'm Kelsey Anderson, RTV6.